Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to fix ChatGPT. Error file stream access denied on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. A simple refresh can fix temporary glitches. If you're using the ChatGPT mobile app, try a force refresh by swiping down on the conversation list. But if you're using a browser, refresh the page. Corrupted cache or data is a common reason behind file stream access denied error. Clearing them resets the app and removes broken temporary files. For this, you have to 1. Navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. 2. Here you will see all apps and find the ChatGPT. 3. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. 4. Finally, restart your phone. The next solution, you can try signing out and signing back into the ChatGPT app. 1. Open the ChatGPT app. 2. Go to Settings and choose Logout. 3. Sign back in with your credentials. 4. Try downloading the file again. Running an outdated version can cause file permission and streaming errors. Updating ensures that recent patches fix these bugs and allow downloads to complete successfully. In order to do so, you have to 1. Open the Google Play Store. 2. Click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. 3. Now under the Updates section, find the ChatGPT app and check for any updates available. 4. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the ChatGPT app to check for the error. Another method, you can try to resolve ChatGPT file stream access denied is contacting the app developer to see if they have any specific troubleshooting steps or recommendations. You can simply send the mail to contact@openai.com and ask for the assistance.
Thanks for watching.